Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over charts in Excel. So we'll make a bar chart first. And a little quirk with Excel, we got to have this blank, that cell blank. So we'll cut and paste, move that up a notch so that's blank. And we'll highlight both columns, starting with that blank cell. And make sure you get all the data. And we'll go to Insert and come over here to these shortcuts, Bar Chart. We'll click that and we'll just use that first one, and we'll type in your name and chart type there, Hart's Bar Chart. It's not showing up yet, but it's showing up here in the task bar, formula bar, and we'll click out of that. And we'd like to have some labels on these axes. So we'll click once in the chart and then we'll click twice in the chart to bring this up, quick layout, and we'll click that once. And we'll hover our mouse over the different options we want to see. We'll X out of there, move this guy out of the way, and we'll go to quick layout again, click that once, and hover the mouse over until we see options that give us three areas. Here we're missing the title option at the top, so we'll keep going. That one looks okay. I think we can do better. That one looks better yet, so we'll click that, and we have our title up there, and we can get rid of this, delete, and axis title the way we have it set up in Excel. The horizontal axis is the one on the left, so that's the student, and we'll click out of there, and there it is. And this one is the number that the student provided, so we'll just say number provided. That way we can keep things straight. Next up is the line graph. And again, we'll highlight both columns, both variables, starting with the blank cell there. Insert, and over here is a line graph. We'll go to the first one with dots, and it's up here, and we'll move it to a better place and click once. Since this is already showing, if it's not, we'll click twice, and we'll find the one that gives us the three areas for options. So here we have it, 1, 2, 3, and we can get rid of that. And scatter plot, we would go here to this shortcut and do it the same way, both columns. And then the fourth chart, the histogram, we only highlight the number provided column. And insert, and I don't see a shortcut for histogram. We'll go to recommended charts. Still don't see it. Maybe that Pareto, not sure what that is. Go to all charts, And here is histogram. It looks similar to that Pareto. And we'll click OK. And we don't see it. We see it a little bit up here. I've got the frames frozen. That's why it's doing that. So we'll just drag it down a bit. We'll X out of there. We can right click here, add labels. We can make those numbers larger. Go to home after we highlight that, and maybe 12. So 19 students pick numbers between 1 and 15. 11 students pick numbers between 15 and 29. And type your name and chart type there. This one, it doesn't really have much option for typing the axes names in. Just make sure you have the number column, so we don't need to do the student number. And we can look at I'm just doing it quick here. We can hold our mouse over here, like student number 2 picked 44, student number 1 picked 1, student number 3 picked 14, and that concludes this presentation, and thank you for watching.